Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm excited to finally share my gaming content with you all. In this video, we are checking out Driving Truck Simulator Heavy Cargo on Android, and I'll be sharing my first impressions and experiences with the game. Let's get started and see how it goes. Before we dive in, let me just quickly go over what this game has to offer. We've got realistic graphics, intuitive controls, and a variety of trucks to choose from. The goal is simple: deliver heavy cargo across different environments, and I'm excited to see how the game challenges me. Alright, let's get into the game. I'll choose our first truck and job, and we'll see how things go. The engine sounds great, and I can already feel the weight of the cargo as we hit the road. Pauses to play the game. Woohoo, nice turn. The physics feel pretty realistic so far. I love the attention to detail in this game. From the road signs to the buildings, it's really immersive. Alright, let's jump right into the action. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride as we explore truck driving heavy cargo together. That's a wrap for this video, everyone. I had a blast playing Driving Truck Simulator Heavy Cargo, and I'm already hyped to dive into more game modes. In my next video, I'll be exploring the new Mountain Road game mode, where things are sure to get even more challenging. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for that and more gaming content, as well as other upcoming game reviews, walkthroughs, and let's plays. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one.